end line, fights his way inside. This one knocked away. Chattanooga regathers beyond the penalty arc. Long strike of the ball and cleaned up as the Red Wolves equalize us a goal apiece. What a score for Declan Waters, his first of the season. Record away, Harts did everything right. Chattanooga
Lofted in, the header, and Chattanooga is on the board. That 6'5" frame. Waters skying between the defense.
Elevated ball towards the back post, headed down.
A lunging tackle. I assume he'll want to avoid doing that in this match.
From Waters, played long. Now. Gomez takes his space. Ramos. Waters.
Best keeper for the job will be in.
Carvanyan.
Information at their fingertips throughout the game, and I feel like when I was on, you had the data and all of the.
Minutes ago, as Hernandez launches this in, Waters gets a head on it on front.
long back end of the ball through the air. Chattanooga back across from the 6-yard box. This pin
does keep it in play. Waters cross in. It's dangerous. It falls for.
Long throw for Chattanooga. Headed along, parried. Bit of a searching ball in behind. It's taken down by Declan Waters. Declan Waters all by himself. Right. Tried to weave inside, but Declan Waters.
Goal came way back in the 5th minute. Second of the season for Leon.
Speaks to the fraternity of coaching in this league. Bentley now is through.
A little bit of a ribbing. Based on how this conversation.
From the USL Championship. He's had plenty of enjoyment on
Iambila down. Century in the middle of that back three. Tall and sturdy.
Player of the year during his high school career as well. Back for Boyce. Referee waves play on. Looking through to Gebhard. But Waters gets in the way. Turns towards Kitzner. Ends its year with
Birthday boy hangs in. Attempted cross. Couldn't get the.
Red Wolves has gained the joint most points from a losing position this year. Toronto loses this foot race with Declan Waters.
Time again. Moshabani to curl. Dimmick the touch. Knight is in the box. Still loose for Charlotte. Up for grabs. Headed out.
The back post.
Sent in again and away again. Up into 15-minute corrals of content. Skied towards Henderlong. Off the head of Declan.
Sent in. Waters.
Arcing ball in.
Smashing a ball.
Shovels wide, driven in.
To start as they have faced multiple injuries.
early suffered the consequences there. Ball was loose on top of the area. Harts brought the heat.
Broke the first-year club looking to maintain its red-hot start.
Within swing toward the back post.
The chest of Declan.
Further along. Felt there were some lapses defensively in the first.
To
play the ball, but
He's going to have his hands full this evening. He's concerned, but obviously when you're a competitor, you try to push to be ahead.